And I also.
All right, looking at worksheet 8, number 4.
I like it like that, but I don't have
Basically, since we don't have time to review on test day, I'm going to be recording a number of problems throughout the day and posting them. So you're welcome. So check Schoology later, and you'll find, other problems that we covered at other points during the day. Number 4. At what rate? So finding R. Does an investment of $2,000 triple?
Where are you?
So this is number 4 on yesterday's worksheet. Triple meaning the after is $6,000. T is time. The rate is compounded continuously. So 6,000 equals 2,000 e to the r times 10 years. So divide by 2,000. You get e to the 10r. Next step is the key step here. What do we do next? Natural log both sides. So natural log 3 equals natural log e to the 10r. And we do that so that the 10r can move down front. We also have a little nice bonus here.
Oh, that's 1.
Yeah, the natural log of e is 1, so don't have to worry about that. Even if you forgot that, you have a calculator, so figure it out.
On this part, or yeah.
So divide by 10. Natural log of 3 divided by 10 is 0.1098, but 2 decimal places, 10.986%.
Oh, can you also go over it again, just like for a refresher, how to get the division bar?
Yeah.
Fraction bar?
The fraction bar on the calculator. So let's put this one in with the fraction bar to make it look exactly like my paper here. So the fraction bar is alpha and then F1. Alpha, F1. And the first option there is numerator over denominator. And so natural log 3 over 10 should give me the same thing that I just got. Yeah. So maybe not necessary for that problem, but definitely some where it's helpful.
Yeah.
I guess it's never necessary, but it's often helpful. Other questions from that worksheet?
We do 6.
Oh, by the way, on every multiple choice question, you guys know this, not that you would do this for all the problems, but if you got stuck or wanted to check, you could just plug in each of those answers and see which one gave you 6,000.
Really?
Now, you'd have to get to the third one, but 2,000 times e to the 10 times 0.10986 is 6,000. So you wouldn't have to solve it. You're right. Yeah. Now, you got to type that in 3 or 4 times.
Yeah. It's worth.
So I don't know which is faster. Yeah. And you still have to know, which formula to use, how to set it up, where the pieces go. So yeah, I don't mind you doing that because there's still a lot of work. There's still a lot of setup there before you go grab the calculator, and whether you do it sort of the math teacher way versus the see which answer works way. Either way is fine. Anything else from that worksheet?
We do like number 8 or 5.
Number which one?
5 or 8, either one. You can pick.
5 or 8?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do 5 because I did 8 earlier and recorded it. So let's do 5. Population of Texas. So already I'm thinking this is probably that formula. 20.4 million in 2000, expected to grow approximately 1.7% each year. According to this prediction, what is the population of Texas in 2021? Okay, so the after we don't know, The before is 20.4. And since that's in million and all my answers are in millions, I'll just leave it as 20.4. I'm not going to write out, 20,400,000. Yeah, you could, but it would just be easier to go with 20.4. Times 1 plus, because we're growing, 0.017. How many years is it? 21, because we started at 2000, we landed at 21. Don't put 2021 in there. That'd be. Hopefully, you'd realize
That'd be silly.
It would be, and you'd get a wild answer. 1.017, all to the 21st. 29.065.
That's crazy.
Use the search engine to find. Anybody do that with the current population of Texas?
Oh.
What search engine? Like Google?
Like Google, yeah. So yes, let's look at number 6 because there's a lot of words. A certain catalyst used in a tank at a gas processing plant, yeah, that's a lot of words, none of which really mean anything to this problem, is known to deteriorate. Okay, that's probably an important word. As minus at a rate of 5.32% per month. In order to be effective, the tank needs at least 100 milligrams of catalyst present. If there are 1,000 milligrams of the catalyst present in the tank right now, in how many months should the plant engineer have the catalyst replenished? Okay. I think I'm going to go with the A equals P 1 minus R to the T, but T is in months this time. But that's okay. The whole problem's in months, so there's no, concern about how do I switch back and forth. It's all in months, so we're okay. So 1 minus 0.0532. How many months? That's what we're looking for to the T. Equals 100. So yes, let's divide first. 1,000 or 100 divided by 1,000 is 0.1. 1 minus, some people would go to the calculator. Other people would be like, nah, I don't want to mess with that yet. So I'm just going to leave it as 1 minus 0.0532. Whether you go to the calculator or not, your next step is the same. Natural log both sides. So natural log 0.1 equals T times natural log 1 minus 0.0532. And then I'm out of space, but I think I'm ready to go to the calculator. What do I need to do? Just divide. Maybe fraction bar on this one. Natural log 0.1 divided by natural log 1 minus 0.0532. 42.12. So in 42 months, somebody at the plant needs to go put some more catalyst in the tank.
A catalyst.
Chemistry.
They speed up that.
That's right. Well, it doesn't make it go. It makes it go faster, right?
Yeah, it makes it go faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you do 2 on the review?
Yeah.